How to lodge tax return in Australia by yourself. Let's get started. First, you will need to access My Tax through your MyGov account. You can also use the ATO app on your smartphone or tablet. From the online services homepage, select Link to the ATO. If you need any help linking your MyGov account to the ATO, I have a quick 2-minute video on that, so you can go ahead and check out the video. When you begin your tax return, My Tax will ask you to confirm that your contact and financial institution details are up to date. Next, select the checkboxes relevant to you, such as your income, investment, government payments, and deductions. Some of these checkboxes will already be selected if information has been provided to the ATO by your employer, bank, or other government agencies. On the next screen, you can review the pre-filled information. Most of this data is available by late July. So I recommend waiting until then to lodge your return. If you need to lodge earlier, you can add missing information yourself. If you have work-related expenses, the ATO makes it easier to find out what deductions you can claim based on your occupation. Just make sure you have your receipts. Claiming business issue of your car is straightforward too, with built-in checks and calculators to help you avoid mistakes. You can save your return at any stage and return to it later on any device. Before you lodge your return, My Tax will estimate your refund or the amount owing. Keep in mind this is just an estimate, and the ATO can adjust it if they identify any missing or incomplete information after you lodge. When you are ready, select the Lodge button. You can view, amend, or print your tax return at any stage by signing back into your online services. And that's it.